Location of every important institute and laboratory in India. This video is very important, so please don't skip or miss this video. Let's start. Question number 1. Where is located Indian Diamond Institute in India? The right answer is option B, Surat. Question number 2. Where is located Rubber Board in India? The right answer is option A, Kerala. Question number 3. Where is located Central Soil Salinity Research Institute in India? The right answer is option D, Haryana. Question number 4. Where is located Central Rice Research Institute in India? The right answer is option A, Kuttak. Question number 5. Where is located Tobacco Board in Andhra Pradesh? The right answer is option C, Guntur. Question number 6. Where is located Central Institute for Cotton Research in India? The right answer is option C, Nagpur. Question number 7. Where is located Central Sheep Breeding Farm in India? The right answer is option D, Hisar. Question number 8. Where is located Indian Institute of Foreign Trade in India? The right answer is New Delhi. Question number 9. Where is located Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute in India? The right answer is option D, Cochin. Question number 10. Where is located National Center of Organic Farming in India? The right answer is option D, Ghaziabad. Question number 11. Where is located Tea Board in India? The right answer is option C, Kolkata. Question number 12. Where is located Indian Agricultural Research Institute in India? The right answer is option A, New Delhi. Question number 13. Where is located Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture in India? The right answer is option D, Bhubaneswar. Question number 14. Where is located Brackish Water Aquaculture in India? The right answer is option A, Chennai. Question number 15. Where is located National Plant Protection Training Institute in India? The right answer is Hyderabad. Question number 16. Where is located National Institute of Animal Health in India? The right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 17. Where is located National Institute of Agricultural Marketing in India? The right answer is option D, Jaipur. Question number 18. Where is located Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering in India? The right answer is option A, Bhopal. Question number 19. Where is located Disease Investigation Laboratory in India? The right answer is option B, Pune. Question number 20. Where is located Random Sample Poultry Performance Testing Center in India? The right answer is option C, Gurugram. Question number 21. Where is located Locust Warming Organization in India? The correct answer is option B, Jodhpur. Question number 22. Where is located Central Frozen Salmon Production and Training Institute in India? The right answer is option D, Karnataka. Question number 23. Where is located Indian Veterinary Research Institute in India? The right answer is option D, Izat Nagar. Question number 24. Where is located Coffee Board in India? The right answer is option B, Mysuru. Question number 25. Where is located Central Institute of Fisheries Education in India? The correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Question number 26. Where is located Institute of Animal Health and Veterinary Biologicals in India? The right answer is option C, Kolkata. Question number 27. Where is located Animal Health Institute in India? The right answer is option A, Jalandhar. Question number 28. Where is located Species Board in India? The correct answer is option D, Kochi. Located Central Institute for Subtropical Horticulture in India. Tell me in comments what is horticulture. The correct answer is option B, Lucknow. Question number 30. Where is located Institute of Animal Health and Biologicals in India? The right answer is option A, Bengaluru. Question number 31. Where is located Institute of Veterinary Biologicals in India? The correct answer is option D, Guwahati. Question number 32. Where is located Central Fodder Seed Production Farm in India? The correct answer is option A, Bengaluru. Question number 33. Where is located Central Institute of Fisheries, Nauticals and Engineering Training in India? The right answer is option D, Kochi. Question number 34. Where is located Integrated Fisheries Project in India? The right answer is Kochi. Question number 35. Where is located Indian Institute of Packaging in Maharashtra? The right answer is option A, Mumbai. Question number 36. Where is located Central Fertilizer Quantity Control and Training Institute in India? The correct answer is option C, Faridabad. Question number 37. Where is located Central Institute of Coastal Engineering for Fisheries in India? The right answer is option C, Bengaluru. Question number 38. Where is located Central Agriculture Research Institute in India? The correct answer is Port Blair. Question number 39. Where is located Vivekananda Parthivya Krishi Anusandhan Shala in India? The right answer is option A, Almora. Question number 14. Where is located ABV, Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management in India? The correct answer is option A, Gwalior. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. I hope you have learned something new from this video. For now, check out these videos and let's meet in another video. Thank you and have a great day. Jai Hind.